So here we are at my new house, my wonderful new house. This is my friend Brian. We're going to do a little experiment here. We've heard that that high tensile power lines can turn on a fluorescent light bulb, and I have a high tensile power line in my backyard, and we're going to go test this out with my friend Brian. And so in his hand we just have a real small fluorescent light bulb. It looks to be about 18 inches long. It's just whatever the standard, you know,
about 1 inch diameter.
1 inch diameter. And let's go for a walk, man. Let's see if we can get this thing turned on. So we got some pretty serious fluorescent lights out here. Brian, you heard them buzzing earlier. You want to talk to us about that?
Yeah, that's right. What we were hearing out here in the backyard is some serious buzzing going on, and so we're a little concerned about the safety. And so we want to try this theory out and see if it does actually light up.
Yeah, I mean,
and
sure,
so we're actually both
clearly not, right? But
we're both actually grounding it. As you can see, it's beginning to light up now as we walk.
They might not be able to see it in the video, but
as we get closer, though, it'll be a lot brighter.
But here's the thing: I wanted to raise my kids here, and I'm not too sure now with the because the light bulb actually is lit a little bit. It's fairly dull.
Are you getting anything on the video there?
Now in the video you can see it a little bit more.
Okay, yep.
But as we come out here, it gets brighter. There you see it.
And as we slow down here and get right underneath it, I think we'll be able to get a better look at it. Let's pull away here from the moon.
All right, let's get away from the moon.
And
all right, there you can see.
So you can see it fluttering in the video. And see, put it right there at your hand there, so you can see the difference.
Now I'm going to take my hand off because there's something about grounding it. See, when I grab the light bulb, it turns it on more. Look at that. And over here's your hand.
Yep, that's right.
Right there.
Yeah, it's straight up glowing right now.
All right, so basically, here, I'm going to pull the video camera back a little bit.
Yep.
And right now that light is lit. There you can see your finger grabbing it in the middle.
Yep.
And
look how dark that, or
yeah,
how
you
dark
can see your fingers
is.
on the fluorescent light. That thing is on.
Straight up on.
Let's be real quiet and see if we can hear the buzzing of the power lines. There's a plane flying overhead, so you might not be able to hear the buzzing of the power lines, but they're definitely humming. Right now I'm getting zero shock. But this is a bit of an unfair video because about 5 minutes ago we tried also, and I was getting a little tingle in my right hand.
That's right.
Because the grass is a little bit wet. Of course, you can't see it with the video.
So for any of you that have been wondering, I've heard this before, this theory that it will light up a fluorescent light. It is actually true.
It will.
And it is something to think about when buying a house and/or playing around close to the high tension wires.
Yeah, you might be able to find better places to hang out. Let's walk back away from the power line with the video still on and see what happens to the light bulb. There you can see it's flickering.
Yep.
And at some point, point the light's going to go back out again. And we don't have any electrical cord out here, right, Brian?
That's right. Nope.
There's no electrical cord. This is literally two men and a fluorescent light. And a high tensile power line.
And some concern.
And some concern. All right, now the light's pretty much out again.
Yeah, that's right.
And
we're a little bit far enough away.
About back at my house again.
So the moral of the story is, if you stay in your house, you're good.
Stay in your house, you're fine. But if you live under a power line, don't go outside ever.